Hello everyone, and welcome to this video series where we learn how to draw isometric drawings or create isometric drawings using our standard tools. Standard tools are pencil, scale, you have to set squares, your protractor, compass, and as standard, your eraser and your sharpener. So today we are going to create isometric circle using 4-center method. To do this, we can start with a circle first and then create the isometric circle as we did for isometric circle using the ordinate method. But this one using the 4-center method is a bit easier because you don't have to draw the circle first, as in the normal circle first, and then copy all of those lines on the isometric circle. So let's get started with drawing our isometric circle using 4-center method directly. So let's first create a horizontal line. From there, let's create 2 lines at 30-degree angle to the horizontal line and 1 vertical line. So first create a center point, and then that's your 90-degree line, that's your 30-degree, and that is your 150-degree line. And then let's create our 80 millimeter square in isometric form. So that's 80. And that is 80 as well. And then, as we know, we need to create another line from this corner at 120 so that we can draw that square. So again, creating that line at 80 millimeters. And then just finishing it off with this final line. Now here, a couple of things that we need to do. Let's first give them names. Now we can give arbitrary names. Let's give them A, B, C, and D to the corners. Now let's create a line DB or BD, however you'd like to call it. So that's our center line. Now, what we need to do is, we know that the diameter of the circle is 80 millimeters. So the radius is equal to 40 millimeters. So then what we do is, from here, from this point D, let's create a point here at 40 millimeters. Let's call this point as J. And from here, from point B, again the same thing, 40 millimeters, and let's call this K. Now from this point A, let's create a line, a straight line, joining point A and point J. So that touches this line CD. Let's call this ABCD. Let's call this X. We can also create a line here, again joining J. It will join here. Call it Y. Again from this A joining K, a line, and then from C, same thing. So we called it X, Y, Z, and W. Okay. Now, what we can do is, we have our compass, taking J as the center and taking the radius equal to Jx. So taking J as center and radius equal to Jx. Let's draw an arc. that arc would be from X to Y. Same thing we can do for center point as K, and then KW as the KW or KZ as the radius. Drawing it with a left hand is a bit hard because I'm right-handed, that's why. Won't be a problem for anyone who is left-handed. Now, when we have all of this, what we need to do is then we need to find out the center point of CD. Now we know that center point of CD would be at point number 4. So again, let's go around and find out center point everywhere. Again, we don't have to measure those center points because we know that center point of 80 millimeter line would be at 40. So let's create another line, straight line from A. Now let's give this some numbers as well. So we had used ABCD. So let's say PQRS, that would work. P, Q, R, and S is this point. I am correct. This is point number S. So again, taking this AP, drawing a straight line, but if we take A as the center and AP as the radius, we can draw an arc here. It is going a bit further out, so let's make it a bit neater. Again, yep, there you go. And then do the same thing at taking C as the radius. Let's see. And there you have it. That is your isometric circle using 4-center method. So, thank you all for joining, and I'll see you in the next video.